Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Geography Guru. In the series of NCERT Geography, this is the third episode of class 12th Geography chapter number 4, Human Development. In the previous episode, we discussed about the 4 pillars of human development. Without these 4 pillars, development is incomplete. We can't say that development is going in the right directions without these 4 pillars as we have discussed. First one is equity, second one is the sustainability, third one is the productivity, and fourth one is empowerment. In this third episode, we are going to discuss about the approaches to human development. It means we will try to find out how we can do the human development. These are the ways to do the human development. Let's analyze these in detail. Approaches to human development. There are many ways of looking at the problem of human development. Some of important approaches are, first one is the income approach, second one is the welfare approach, third one is the minimum needs approach, and fourth one is the capability approach. यानी ये 4 तरीके हैं जिनसे हम मानव विकास कर सकते हैं. Let's do discuss these all the approaches in detail. First approach is income approach. This is one of the oldest approach to human development. If we ask from our ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से हम पूछा जाए कि विकास करना हमें क्या चाहिए, एक सिंपल सा आंसर होगा पैसा. इफ़ आई आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यू, शायद आप भी यही बोलें कि पैसा होना चाहिए विकास के लिए, बाकी चीज़ें आ जाएंगी, देखेंगे बाद में. सो दिस वन इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट अप्रोच टू ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट. ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इज सीन एज बीइंग लिंक्ड टू इनकम. इनकम से लिंक किया गया. इफ़ यू हैव द बेटर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, इट मीन्स दैट वी कैन हैव द बेटर अदर फैसिलिटीज टू. द आइडिया इज दैट द लेवल ऑफ इनकम रिफ्लेक्ट्स द लेवल ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ इंडिविजुअल enjoys. When we have the more or the higher income, it means that we have the more choices, more opportunities to do whatever we want to do. Higher the income or higher the level of income, the higher is the level of human development. So first approach is the income approach, and it says that we should focus on the economic development. We should focus on the higher per capita income. We should focus on the higher average income. We should focus on the higher national income. If we have the better per capita income, it means that the people have the more opportunities, more potential to do whatever they want to do, and they will have the more freedom एज एन इंडिविजुअल बींग्स. सो ये सबसे पुरानी अप्रोच है कि आय बढ़ा दीजिए, विकास अपने आप हो जाएगा. सेकेंड अप्रोच इज द वेलफेयर अप्रोच. वेलफेयर अप्रोच, दिस अप्रोच लुक्स एट द ह्यूमन बींग एज बेनिफिशरीज और टारगेट ऑफ ऑल डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज. वेलफेयर अप्रोच फोकस ऑन द ह्यूमन बींग्स, दैट our development should focus on the human beings, and the approach argues for higher government expenditure on education, health, and social secondary and amenities. People are not participants in development but only passive recipients. The government is responsible for increasing level of human development by maximizing expenditure on welfare. In the welfare approach, the main responsibilities of the government to provide the better education facility, better health facility, and better other facilities such as the transport and water, etc., so that the people get these basic requirements. So here the people are the basic recipients, वो सिर्फ उसको प्राप्त करते हैं, and government is responsible for increasing the level of human development. Here government की responsibility हो जाती है. So this is known as welfare approach. So welfare approach focus on the human beings, and it focus on providing the basic facilities to human beings for their development, such as the education, such as the health facilities, transport facilities, pure water supply, etc. Third approach for the human development, that is the basic need approach. This approach was initially proposed by the ILO. ILO here stands for International Labour Organization. 6 basic needs such as health, education, food, water, water supply, sanitation, housing were identified by the ILO, and the question of human development is ignored here. Human choices is ignored and the emphasis is on the provision of basic needs of defined sections. Here यहाँ पे ये ILO के द्वारा दी गई है and that ILO identifies 6 basic needs, 6 basic need को identify किया: health, education, food, water, sanitation and housing, and government should provide these facilities to all the people. Here the question of choice has been ignored, उसको इग्नोर कर दिया गया। यहाँ पे सिर्फ बेसिक नीड को पूरा करना है एंड दैट इफ़ द पीपल हैव द बेसिक नीड दे कैन थिंक अबाउट द अदर थिंग्स, कि कुछ बेसिक नीड अगर पूरी होगी तो कुछ और सोच पाएंगे। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू ILO दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द अप्रोच फॉर ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, के ऐसे भी विकास हो सकता है, मानव विकास। दिस इज़ द थर्ड अप्रोच। नाउ देयर इज़ द फोर्थ अप्रोच, कैपेबिलिटी अप्रोच. This approach is associated with Dr. Professor Amartya Sen. Building human capabilities in areas of health, education and access to resource is the key to increasing human development. This one is the best one on the paper if we discuss. Capability approach says that we try to convert the people as a resource. उनको रिसोर्स बनाना है सो दैट दे कैन यूज़ देयर टैलेंट, सो दैट दे कैन यूज़ देयर पोटेंशियल्स. हाउ वी कैन डू दिस? वी कैन डू दिस बाय प्रोवाइडिंग देम द बेसिक, not only the basic facilities, such basic quality facilities such as the education, health, as well as the medical facilities, education facilities, and third one is the skills or the training. As we have seen in the case of the Japan having the better human resources. Why? Because the Japan is investing in the education, medical or the health facilities and in the training or the skills. So this is the fourth capability approach. So far we have discussed the 4 approaches of ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, यानी कि 4 तरीके जिससे मानव विकास किया जा सकता है. फर्स्ट वन इज़ द इनकम अप्रोच, कि आर्थिक विकास कीजिए मानव विकास होगा. सेकेंड वन वी हैव discussed the second approach was the welfare approach, that we should provide the basic facilities to the people so that they can grow. It means that the welfare approach assist the people to grow. assist करने के लिए वो facilities दी जाती है. As we are seeing at this time in Delhi, government is focusing on the education, health, sanitation, etc. So that is the welfare approach. Third one approach that we have discussed, that is the basic need approach given by the initiated by the ILO. And fourth one is the capability approach. We should not provide them the food, we should not give any person fish, we should try to train them how to catch the fish, कि मछली नहीं देनी है उनको, मछली पकड़ना सिखाना है. That is the central idea of the capability approach that is given by the Professor Amartya Sen, that we should try to convert the people as resource so that they can use their potentials. So that's all in this episode. We have discussed about the 4 approaches to human development. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.